On today's episode of Tila Takes Over, I take over the Holt house and do a massive kitchen renovation on a budget while keeping the kitchen cabinets and original layout of the kitchen. If you're looking for ideas for your kitchen renovation while on a budget, you're in the right place. Make sure to like this video and subscribe as I have new home improvement videos dropping every week. First things first, I started by meeting with the clients to see the space and get an idea of what's working for them and what isn't. The first major issue for them is that there simply is not enough storage space. The cabinets are dated but still in good shape, though they do not like the glass doors showing the interior of that cabinet. There's a weird shaped bar area on the opposite side of the main cabinetry. There's a lot of wasted space there, and that could be used for more cabinets, but also more counter space. They like the sink over the window, the appliances, and the general layout of the kitchen. There's an awkward and broken railing that sticks out from the end of the cabinets to ensure no one falls down the stairs there, but again, it's such a wasted space. I'm there to look at the kitchen, but with the serious lack of storage space, as well as a matching railing in the dysfunctional dining room, we decide to discuss potential options for that room as well. It looks like there's an opportunity here to remove this railing and add some cabinets to match the kitchen. Now that I know their major pain points, what's working for them and what's not, it's time to make a plan. In the kitchen, we will paint the existing cabinets and replace the super dated hardware. We're going to replace the countertops as well as square off the countertop in the awkward bar area to make it more like an island. We're going to remove the current backsplash and install a new backsplash that extends up to the roof. In the dining room, we are going to take out the old oak railing and install a fresh new set of cabinets to match the old style and paint them to match. The first step in any renovation is, of course, demo. Countertops and backsplash were removed as well as the railings. I removed the cabinet doors and took them to the shop to start the prep process. If you're loving what you've seen so far, comment guide in the comments and I'll send you a link to my exclusive DIY design guide. Jared and Alex provided me a few inspiration photos to show me what their style is. I started by picking out the countertops since they are the most limiting in terms of design and color options. Then I pulled a tile that matched and found this beautiful shade of blue and its complementary white for the upper cabinets.
Now that the demo is done, it's time to get on to the paint phase. And there's a reason why I spent so long in painting. It's during this phase that you can really start to see your plan come to life.
I had a feeling the whole ceiling might look super yellow after we got the white paint on the upper cabinets. Luckily, I had some budget set aside just in case that was to happen, and we quickly added it onto the scope.
We're getting rid of the boring brown 80s cabinets, and we're bringing in a fresh two-tone design. We demoed the old laminate countertops, and we're bringing in a fresh quartz and a marble design. I really love this as it's a sleek and clean looking pattern, and the coloring really ties everything together. We demoed the existing backsplash and I found this beautiful tile that looks like it was made to go with this countertop. I was talking to Alex about their dining room situation and she mentioned that they have a table that they actually don't like to use because it leaves gunk all over all of their dishes. Now, a new dining room table is not in the budget. However, I think that I can probably thrift something and make it like it's brand new just with some paint. I found this cute round wood table online, and with just a few products and some love, I've given it a whole new life that will really tie together their dining room design.
I have an idea for some additional storage in the awkward little space beside the fridge. I'm all about the Ikea hacks, and I believe they make a little cabinet that will fit perfectly in that space.
Everything is coming together so well, and we're starting to come towards the final phases of this renovation. Being that we kept the existing floor plan but brought in new cabinets as well, all of the new doors were custom fabricated to make sure that they match the style of the old ones. Now that they're all painted, they're being reinstalled, and we're adding some nice new jewelry onto them.
And that's a wrap on this project. I did a big reveal with the clients and they loved it. Let me know how you think it turned out in the comments and be sure to like and subscribe for more home improvement hacks from an ex-lady tradie turned designer.